Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am just going to be sharing some holiday makeup product must-haves, things that I think are the perfect kind of staple in the collection for around the holiday season. I just feel like these products kind of remind me of the holiday season and I just love them for this time of year. So I wanted to share some of those with you. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week, so please make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my holiday makeup recommendations, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, we can jump in. If I look a little bit different, it's because I got my hair extensions taken out. I had them in for 5 months. They lasted 5 months, which is amazing, but it was time to take them out and let my hair chill while I'm pregnant. And then we just touched up some of the color to get it a little bit closer to my roots so I don't have to keep getting it done while I'm in this phase. So a very successful little trip, and I got some shorter little bangs, so they may make an appearance here and there. I just need to figure out how to style them a little bit cuter. Bear with me. But anyways, so I have some really fun products here. As usual, I'm not going in any kind of order. I'm just gonna grab a product and tell you why I think it's amazing. I don't have a ton of products here, just some that really popped out at me for around the holiday season that I wanted to share. So we can just get started. So first product, I feel like you need a good foundation for around the holidays that's good for daytime, good for nighttime, good for all kinds of crazy weather. And I feel like this one has been really, really good to me since trying it. It's the Hourglass Illusion Luminous Glow Foundation, SPF 30. So again, you have that skin protection for during the day, even though it's winter, but it looks amazing at night too. And I feel like for myself personally, I know a lot of people lean more towards matte foundations in the winter months. I actually am the opposite. I lean a little bit more towards the glowy foundations because I have dry to normal skin, so my skin can get very, very dry in the winter. So a lot of times I find myself grabbing for something that's gonna give me more of that glow and luminosity and hydration. And I just love this one for that. I feel like it looks so good every time. It lasts all day long. It feels super good on its own or set with other powder products. Like however you want to use it, it's so good. And it's such a good one to travel with because of the packaging. So you cannot go wrong. I'm wearing it right now. I just love it. Next is a really good cream bronzer. I think this one has to be one of my favorites. It's good for year round, but because of the formula, the thickness, everything, like I just feel like this is so good for that holiday season. Like you're going out during the day, you have things going on at night, or it's Christmas, you're with family all day long. You want a product that is going to last all day long too. So that is this for me. It's the Too Faced Melting, Bronzing, and Sculpting Stick in Chocolate Caramel. This just looks so good every time. Like every time I wear this, I'm always like, I'm looking later at like pictures that I've taken, or I'm just looking in the mirror later and I'm like, oh, this bronzer looks so good. Like it just looks so amazing every time. So creamy, so easy to blend and work with other products. Smells amazing. I just love everything about this. So who does not love a good cream bronzer around the holidays? Next, I have a couple of blushes. So the first one is more so if you want a little pop of color. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Cheek Tint in the shade 41. It's a red. So if you want a little bit more of that festive red pop of color, I definitely would say go with this. It's so pretty. Like it's not like a crazy bright, like clowny red. It's a really pretty, like flushed look red, but it's like perfect for the holidays. So I just love this one for that pretty little pop of color. Love the formula, love everything about it. A little goes such a long way, so this will last forever, but such a good one. And then my other pick for a blush is the Too Faced Cloud Crush Whipped Lip and Cheek Color. So you could use this on your lips, you could use it on your cheeks, or both. I just love this one so much. I'm wearing it right now. It's that perfect, like deep purpley berry color. It's more on the subtle side, like it's not super bright and in your face, but it looks so pretty every time. It just gives you such a pretty like wintry berry look to your makeup, and I just cannot get enough of it. And the smell, oh my gosh, it smells like marshmallows. I just love it so much. Like, you cannot go wrong with this product, so I highly, highly recommend. Then I have a powder bronzer. This is from Pat McGrath. It's the Skin Fetish Divine Bronzer in Bronze Nirvana. Oh, sorry. The Too Faced blush is in the shade Milk and Cookies, before I forget, in case you were wondering, and I'll link all of these in the description box just in case. But yeah, anyways, back to this. I really love this one because it's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not too matte, it's not too luminous. It's the perfect in-between of everything, which I feel like is perfect for around the holidays because, like I said, I lean more so on the dry, normal side for skin, and I feel like something like this really helps to keep my skin looking glowy without looking too summery radiant. Like, it's that perfect in between, but still looks perfect for the winter months. So I just love the way that this looks every single time, and it lasts all day long. Like, you really cannot go wrong with this bronzer product. It's so good. Another one where a little goes a very long way, so you don't need a ton of product to get a good result. So highly recommend. Then we have a highlighter. This is a duo, so it's the Patrick Ta Major Glow Cream and Powder Light Reflecting Translucent Highlighter Duo in the shade Daddy. If you get this, this is literally the only highlighter combo that you need. You have a cream, which is in this little window here, and you have a powder. You do not need anything else. There's so many different shades to choose from, or not so many, but there's a few different shades that you could choose from. All so beautiful. I'm so obsessed with this one. It's perfect to give you that Christmassy, holiday, wintry glow to your skin, and obviously you can customize wherever you place it, so you can choose where you want to glow. Love the finish of this. Love using these together, individually. Like, it's just such a versatile product that you cannot go wrong, and especially around the holidays, I'm gonna be going crazy with this one, so definitely recommend. Next is an eyeshadow palette. I feel like if you have one good eyeshadow palette, especially around the holidays where you have some of those shimmers that you can choose from, you're set. And you guys know I'm ride or die for like 2 different eyeshadow palettes, this one and another one, but this one I felt like specifically around the holidays was so perfect because it has a variety of finishes in it. So it's the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. I just feel like there's something for everybody in this palette. Obviously all nudes, but you get such a variety of light to dark. You get such a variety of mattes to shimmers. Like, I just feel like everybody could find their perfect eyeshadow shade in this palette. I always go for this one, and this one to finish any eye look where I want like a shimmer, and it looks stunning every single time. Like, you can create an entire eyeshadow look with this, down to lining your eyes with this super dark silhouette shade. I just really love this palette. It's so pretty. You get a full-size mirror on the top. Like, if I could recommend one palette for the holiday season, it would be this. It has never done me wrong. It's just been so useful to me so many times, so I definitely recommend. Next is a mascara. I feel like if you're gonna be doing stuff with family, or even running errands around the holidays, or just doing anything where you don't want that super dramatic dark black mascara look, this is such a good brown mascara. It's my favorite brown mascara. It's just so pretty. It's the YSL Lash Clash in the shade 2. I just love it. Like, I love the actual applicator. A lot of times this kind of an applicator will leave like stains all over my eyelids. This one does not. The shade of brown is so perfect. It's still like a nice dark chocolatey brown, but it's not super dark, so it looks very natural. It gives your eyes this like really pretty softness, and even when I do a full eyeshadow look, I'll apply something like this a lot of times and it just looks so pretty. Like, it really makes the green in my eyes pop, and I just love it so much. This lasts all day long. It's actually on the harder side to get off, so I do love that. Like, once it's on, it's not gonna budge. So I definitely love that about it, and I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a good mascara, that'll last and looks beautiful. Then for a lip recommendation, I think around the holidays, what are we doing a lot of? Eating, drinking. I don't know what you're drinking, but something. So we're constantly doing stuff. We're talking, so our makeup products on our lips are moving around. So I love a good lip stain. This one is from Glowy. It's called First Sorry is the shade, but it's the Lassie Lips Staining Lip Oil. I'm wearing the lighter shade right now, but this one is such a beautiful, like purpley berry color, which I feel like is so perfect around the holidays again. And it's gonna last you all day long. You can eat, you can drink, you can talk, do whatever you want, and it's gonna stay on your lips. Like, it's a stain. And what I love about this one, you literally just apply it and you leave it. You don't have to wipe it off if you don't want to. So it has that really pretty shine to it. It looks like a lip gloss, but it's also super pigmented where it looks like you're wearing a lip liner as well. So you get that completed lip look with just one product. And then once it dries down, it's literally not gonna move. So I just love how easy this is, and I love how beautiful the color is, how good the quality is, just everything about it. So that is it, you guys. That's my recommendations for makeup products around the holidays. I feel like there's so many good ones, but these were just some that stood out to me that I thought around this time of year would be just perfect to be able to use and abuse. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know if there is anything else you guys recommend or any other kind of video you want me to do for you, whether it's product recommendations, product tries, makeup tutorials, whatever it may be. Let me know what you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.